Hello and most welcome, my dear students. So, topic for the day is microsporogenesis and but obvious gametogenesis also in the flowering plants. माइक्रोस्पोरोजेनेसिस की जो प्रोसेस है वो स्पोरोजीनस टिश्यू से स्टार्ट होती है, जैसा कि प्रीवियस लेक्चर में एक शॉर्ट वीडियो में आपने समझा था। माइक्रो स्पोरेंजियम के ट्रांसफरस सेक्शन को आपने स्टडी किया था, एपिडर्मिस, एंडोथीलियम, मिडिल लेयर, टैपेटम एंड देन इन द वेरी सेंटर पोजीशन देयर आर स्पोरोजीनस टिश्यूज़। तो जब एंथर मैच्योर होगा तो स्पोरोजीनस टिश्यू भी मैच्योर होगा, and at maturity each of the cell of the sporogenous tissue is now converted or act as pollen mother cell. pollen grain के formation के लिए mother cell की तरफ behave करेंगे. They are deployed in nature. Is it clear? Okay. After this meiosis takes place, and as a result of which 4 haploid daughter cells are formed. In the very beginning, all these 4 haploid cells are stick together and they form a tetrad. उसके बाद callose का deposition होगा, but obvious this is from the tapetum, what you called is the nutritive layer. तो callose का deposition होगा. callose का deposition के बाद क्या होगा, that each of the cell of the tetrad is now being separated. After separation, each cell undergo unsymmetrical mitotic division. Asymmetrical mitotic division. Am I clear? Okay. As a result of which 2-celled stage is formed in the microspore. The larger or the bigger one is known as vegetative cell having vegetative nucleus, and the smaller one is known as generative cell having generative nucleus. Both cells are haploid since they are formed as a result of meiosis. This is the 2-celled stage of a pollen grain, that is a microspore, and this is called microsporogenesis. On maturity, the callose is now replaced by sporopollenin, a hardest chemical, toughest chemical that cannot be reacted with any one of the chemical in the world. Okay. At sporopollenin chemical is absent on the outer periphery, which is called a what? Yes, exine, which is called as exine, and the inner layer is called intine. Intine is naturally formed of the cellulose and other hemicellulose, etc. Whereas the exine is 100% composed of what? Sporopollenin. Okay. Now the area or the place where sporopollenin is absent is called germ pore, through which future pollen germination takes place. Now this is all about the sporogenesis. Now what is gametogenesis? Whenever pollen grain reaches to the stigma, it is but obvious after release of the pollen grain. तो पॉलिनेशन की प्रोसेस में जब pollen grain स्टिग्मा पे पहुंच जाएगा, and if it is proved that the pollen grain is compatible, compatibility होने के बाद generative nucleus again divide by mitosis to form 2 nuclei. अब वहाँ पे generative cell में 2 nuclei बनेंगे mitosis के result से. Now these 2 nuclei are known as male gametes. Okay, so this is the microgametogenesis. Thank you. God bless you.